Hello children. So it's a maths class. So class 3 mathematics. So today the topic we are going to discuss about the measuring weight and capacity. So chapter 8 measuring weight and capacity. So in this video particularly we are going to learn about the measuring weight and some variation tools help us to finding the correct weight of the all the object and the unit, standard unit of the weight, the measuring weight. Okay children, come let's start the class.
Measuring weight. Let's see the picture. Heavy or light? Do you feel heavy or light? After a compare the object, we said it's heavy or light. Different objects have a different weight. Its feel a different appears and different weight also. For example, cotton. Cotton is a less in weight. We feel it very light. But stone is little heavy. We feel it heavy. Then, how do you buy vegetables at the market? We buy vegetables or fruit, measuring the weight. After that, we buy it. We buy different objects in different quantity. For example, in your family, your mother know very well how to buy the things. For example, she buy 10 kgs of rice, but 2 or 3 kgs of dal and bristles. So this is a variation. We know our needs. So we buy that in different quantities. We do not need to buy all the things in same quantity. We do buy most things according to our needs. For example, pumpkin and chilies. We buy a pumpkin of 1 kg, but we buy a chili of 100 grams. So know the difference, 1 kg and 100 grams. So in a measurement, in the measuring units is kilogram and gram. How will you measure the weight? So some instrument help us to find the correct weight of all the object. So these are some instruments to help us find the correct weight. So simple balance machine and electrical weight balance machines. So balance scale is a traditional measuring scale. So this is a balance scale. This use simple balance scale to compare the weight of a two object. To compare the weight of two object. The balance scale consists of two plate or bowl. It helps us to find the correct weight of all the object. We use some measuring stones, standard weight measuring stone, to compare the object, so weight of the object. Nowadays, you see many shops using electrical balance measuring weight machines. It's a new technology. It's also help us to find the correct weight of the object. But in a balance scale, we want to compare it and we use some metal weight machine, some metal weight stones. So these stones are standard weight. This approved by the government. is approved by the government. This is standard weight stones. Weighing machine. A weighing machine has a number scale and a needle. When the object to be weighted is placed on the pan of the machine, the needle points to the number of the scale, which shows the weight of the object. The needle point to show the weight of the object. The standard unit of weights are grams and kilogram. Gram is used to measure a lighter object. Kilogram is used to measure heavy object. Kilogram commonly used to measure a heavy object. 1 kilogram has 1000 gram. So gram shortly written as a G and kilogram shortly written as a kg. Relationship between gram and kilogram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Half a kilogram equal to 500 grams. Quarter of a kilogram equal to 250 gram. So this is a relationship between gram and kilogram. Now let's see how to use a simple balance machine. Beam balance is a device to measure weight or mass. These are also known as a mass scale, weight scale, mass balance, weight balance, simple balance, balance scales like that. Now let's see how to measure the weight of an object. So keep the tomatoes in one side and 1 or 2 kilogram weight in another side. Now look at the point, the middle point of the balance scale. It is in the center, the both of the pan. So they balance each other. The weight stone and tomatoes are equal. So this is the balance. Thus our children, I hope you understood this measuring of weight. So thank you for listening.